Hey, what's going on, guys? This is going to be a different video because I haven't done one of these yet. But this is going to be a review of the Klos guitar. What is this? Hybrid? I think this is the hybrid ukulele. If you can see this box here. So what I'm going to do? Wow. So what I'm going to do is open it and then get my first impressions, play it a little bit, see if it's tuned. And then I'll come back in like a week after I've used it for a little bit. So you'll probably see me use it in like a tutorial or something, but I'm just testing it out, leaving a review for them and seeing how it is. If you guys like it, you can check it out. The link will be in the description. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Alrighty. I already popped the staples off because staples, you know. So of course we got the shipment letter. Yes, this is the hybrid tenor ukulele. So they sent me a cord to plug into an amp. Try that out. And then, oh, this feels like the bad boy here. See, look at that. Klos guitars. Of course, this is a ukulele though, but a ukulele is basically just a tiny guitar, so. Bubble wrapped? Yes, please. Alright, so let's check this thing out, guys. I'm a little excited here. So I don't know if you've seen these guys on Instagram or anything, but alright, so this is like a little cover. I guess to waterproof the actual gig bag, but look how cute that is. That's kind of cool. Got the little pocket. I like this gig bag. It feels pretty solid and cozy. So let's go ahead and just check this thing out. Ooh. Wow. So this is a, wow, this looks really nice though. So these Klos ukuleles are carbon fiber. Wow, and look at that. Like even that looks super nice. So these are carbon fiber, but this is the hybrid. So there is a wood bridge and a wood neck. So yeah, let's see if it's tuned and let's just do first impressions. And yeah, let's see what's going on. It actually sounds like it's in tune, but we'll go ahead and try out their little built-in tuner here. Interesting. So usually it has like a wave thingy, but this one just has like a light, so it'll light up green on top or red on the left or right, so. That's a little better. Okay, so let me move the camera a little closer. But look at that, guys. I've never had a carbon fiber ukulele, but it vibrates, like it resonates really good, and it feels like super solid. Like this thing's pretty nice, guys. All right, let's play Two-Headed Creature just to get the vibes right. Okay. It sounds like, I don't know if like the higher pitch just resonates better with the carbon fiber, but it sounds really good. How about Two Moons? What with you? Okay. Okay, first impressions, this thing's freaking awesome. I'm hoping to work with them more, and I know this is just a demo one, so I can just try it out, but I really hope that they send me one that I can keep, because this thing feels awesome. And this is just a hybrid one. I don't even know what the full carbon fiber one would feel like or sound like, but this feels solid. It's, I mean, look at it guys. It looks like really nice. Like it's so shiny and it's like, it's pretty solid, but I'll see you guys probably in a week and I'll do my full review once I've played it for a little while. Look how cute the headstock is, so tiny. But yeah, this is the first half of the review. So yeah. Okay, so it's a little bit past a week or 2 weeks later since I started the review on this Klos hybrid tenor ukulele. This is the hybrid one, half carbon fiber with the wood saddle and neck and stuff like that. But you guys saw me do a few tutorials with it. I'm pretty sure I did a song cover with it, but I'm gonna finish this review since I gotta send this back to them soon. They said I could keep it as long as I wanted within reason. So I feel like I'm running out of reason. So I should probably finish this review and send it back to them so they can send me the next one. But anyway, this thing is literally like, it feels so solid. I've played it a decent amount and it stayed in tune. I didn't have to retune it or anything. There's no dents or scratches, and this is a demo model, so that means other people have used it too, and it looks like brand new. So this thing is freaking awesome. I did plug it in the amp and try it out a little bit, and it sounded great, just like my other ukulele. So it might have been even a little bit more less staticky than my ukulele, but I think this product is freaking awesome, guys. If you guys can afford one of these, I would go get one for sure. It'll be great for travel, honestly, because it's carbon fiber, so it should do good against like weather and stuff like that. The wood and in the saddle and in the neck, you might want to try and keep away from water, but they do have a full carbon fiber version that you can get if you want to do that instead. Like I said, everything for this is linked down in the description, the Klos.com or whatever it is, but Klos Guitars. But yeah, my final opinion on this is it looks beautiful, it sounds great, it stays in tune, and it's a really, really solid like instrument. It's and look at this unique design. Like, I've never seen a headstock like that. The body's so cool, the little built-in tuner and everything like that. Like, this thing's seriously just awesome, guys. If you guys can afford one of these, I would definitely go get one. Or if you want to get a ukulele for somebody as a gift, I would do it. Yeah, I sprained my wrist, so that's why ukulele tutorials are on hold for now until I can actually twist my wrist. Like this hurts, and I can't really press the chords hard while I'm like that. So soon, I'm sorry. But anyway, this is a review. Finish this. Okay, awesome, love it, recommend it. You guys should get it. That's all I have to say. I don't know what else to say. This thing's awesome and it sounds great. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. By the way, guys, I know you know that I know that you know that I do designs and art and illustrations and stuff, but my life has kind of flipped around. So like in middle school, I used to love skateboarding and I wanted to design skateboards, and I totally forgot that that was like one of my goals until I reached out to people. And I may or may not have my first skateboard deck design coming out soon. I'll give you guys a link to that once that happens. I can't really say that many details. I don't want to ruin the surprise, but yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of random designing and illustrating like skateboards and more design videos on here as well with the ukulele stuff, because this is basically Jwillyguy / hobby channel. So it's basically all the stuff that I like to do is what all the videos are going to be. So if you're here for ukulele, thank you, and you're always welcome here, and there will always be ukulele tutorials and tips and tricks. But if you're here for skateboarding or designs or art or anything, that stuff is coming out too. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my videos. A creature with two heads, sleeping into beds. Is it sweet?